If your elevator equipment is frequently down for repairs or has reached the end of its useful life, you're likely facing an elevator modernization. These projects can be complicated, expensive, and time-consuming. Here are some suggestions from Automate's elevator experts to get you through it. We recommend collecting bids from different vendors and comparing their prices, included services, and warranty options. We also suggest creating a thorough breakdown of the cost, scope, and duration of the project, including work by others, which is building work done to prepare the site. And remember, every building is different and needs not only the best, but also the most appropriate equipment for the project. Finally, it's important to remember that all building systems will need to be brought up to code during your project, so it can be helpful to get budget pricing to eliminate surprises during your mod. At AuditMate, we offer mod consulting services to save you time, money, and to eliminate the confusion of upgrading your equipment. Call us for a quote today. We speak elevator, but we work for you.